In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or change watermark on your YouTube videos. So if you had set a certain logo or a certain watermark that appears on your video and you'd like to change it or to remove it, it is pretty much simple. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To do this, go to your YouTube studio and then click on customization here. Once you click on this, scroll down until you see this option called video watermark. Currently, you can see I have this as my watermark or my logo for my entire video. So I like to go ahead and remove this. So to remove it, I'll just click on remove. And if you just want to change this to a different watermark or logo that you use as your watermark, you can also go ahead and click on change. And this will take you to your computer to choose a different watermark. So for mine, I'll just click on remove. And you can see the watermark has been removed, and then publish to save the changes, and you can see the changes have been published. So if I go to my videos, the watermark will no longer be available on my videos. So that's how you can remove or change watermark logo on your videos on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.